Hello, what's up, guys? Today, our topic is truck accident can be catastrophic event, leaving destruction and destruction of the wheels. The sheer size and weight of these vehicles amplify the impact of any conclusion. Often, result is served consequences for everyone involved. From highway to smaller road, this accident can occur where any ever leaving a trail damage, injuries, and something even facilities. Picture this a dense stretch of highway bursting with vehicles moving in different directions, administrative traffic. A massive truck barrels down the road carrying its cargo across the mills. Suddenly, a moment of destruction of mechanical failure of an unforeseen distribution lead to critical error. The truck service loses control and chooses insurance. The aftermath of a truck accident is nothing short of chaotic. This conclusion force can be managed. Smaller vehicle causing wreckage that spurs across the road, debris sector and the once orderly flow of traffic because a tangled mess. The truck itself might overturn, spill its cargo or jackknife, adding to the mayhem. Emergency responders such rush to sense series, barreling and light flashing the priorities to tend the injured, secure the area and restore order amidst the choose. Paramedics work swiftly, tending the those hurt in collision while firefighters, the police offer coordinate effort to clear the road and manage growing congestion. Meanwhile, the investigators must usually piece together the event leader upon the accident, the example, the vicarage interview witness, and gather evidence to understand the sequence of events that lead to interrupt catastrophic movement. Factor like driver fatigue, mechanical failure, reckless driving, or external conditions like weather and road quality all come under security. Truck accidents carry a heavy toll not only in terms of physical damage but also in human cost. Victims of these accidents often face several injuries from broken bones and spinal cord trauma is traumatic brain injuries. However, it arteries merge, leaving behind emotional scars that are may fully heal. The repercussions of a truck accident ripple beyond directly involved families are left grappling with aftermath, packing, medical bills, emotional trauma, and something the loss of one loved business might the suffer financial setbacks due to damaged cargo or vehicle impacted employees and livelihoods. Preventing truck accidents require a multifaceted approach, stricter regulars and comprehensive training for drivers, regular vehicle maintenance and advancement in technology all play a role in mitigating these incidents, implementing safety protocols such as mandatory rest periods for driver and improving road enforcement can significantly reduce and its risk of accident. As the scene of a truck accident is cleared and life is slowly turned to normal on affected road, the memories of event linger. It serves as the stark reminder of the regularity of life and the importance of safety measure in our modern fast of world. This is our topic. Thank you for watching.